Hello, it's me Adnan Rahman and I'm the market analyst for Irante. And now in this video, I'll be explaining you why we have this inside bar formed in the Euro USD. And let me let you know what is the inside bar. Inside bar means that on a daily time frame, there is a big candle, okay, a big candle, and then there is another small candle that is totally engulfed inside this big candle. So this means inside bar. I've already explained this many times in my technical analysis videos. Okay, so this is an inside bar formed and it is being seen or printed in our H1 time frame. So now just focus on these zones over here. Okay, and I will explain you what is the fundamental reason of this resistance and the fundamental reason of this support. Okay, keep this in mind. Now, before getting into this, I'll want to explain you regarding what major news do we have in terms with Euro this week. Okay, on Friday we have this flash manufacturing PMIs from German and German and French and services PMIs as well. And if I'll just click over here, today we had this negative print from the German PPI as well. Okay, so I'll just leave this for now. I'll leave this print for now, and we will only focus on our technical aspect because the main news is on Friday. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now let me tell you, explain you the whole timeline of what happened with this euro. Let's see. On 14th of January, Rehan, the council member, he said that it's the time to exit monetary policy. Okay, and this was the candle when he said, and this is the zone I have drawn for here. So you can see that as they were expecting to cut interest rates, then the market should have gone towards downside. So this is a counter cyclical movement by the euro. In other words, we can look at this level as a support for now. Okay, support for now. And then we had news again. The next day we had this news, something similar to this one, that they are going to see reduction in monetary policy. That was seen over here. And then we had this sweep. Okay, this sweep over here. Remember this place I told you? And the movie doesn't end over here. The same day we had this news from the USD at this place, okay, the same place over here, in which we saw that the yields were on 14 months high. Okay, the yields were on 14 months high. So this is the place where USD got strength and the Euro USD came towards a downside. Okay, please understand this timeline. So now, until now, what we have seen, we have got the origin of this resistance over here. And then on the 15th of January, 16th of January, we saw again dovish comments from the ECB, and then, there will be rate cuts, and then easing bias is confirmed, and then stagflation is in play. And Germany has been in contraction for first time for consecutive 2 years, okay, since 2003, okay, 2003. So this is totally a negative news from the euro side. And then when was this printed? It was printed over here. Okay, after this place, it's moving like this in this zone over here. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to explain you the whole timeline. And then today we got this, the euro, that market price is in 100 basis points of a cut from ECB easing this year, 100 basis points. And after the cut, how much will be remaining? It will go like to 3.75, something like that. Okay, and even that ING is going for 125 BP expected. Okay, so all of this news, this one, and this one, is in a negative zone for euro, while keeping the sluggish growth and high inflation in our mind. Okay, and then what happens over here on 17th? Okay, Euro NZD, on the 17th for the Euro USD, ANZ research recommends a short position, and these are the levels that what they are recommending. Okay, this is not signal. Keep in mind, okay, this is not a signal, it's not a recommendation, it's only analysis. Okay, please keep this in mind. This is a short disclaimer I'm giving you guys. Okay, so I've explained now that all of this movement over here was purely fundamental basis. And the second reason was this Trump 2.0, or you can say the tariff plan. Okay, so this was the reason why we have seen this movement over here. Now, if we talk about the CFTC report, what do we have over there? Let me show you. Let me get this out of the way. In terms of CFTC, in the USD, we have, the USD is in my earlier video in the morning, I told that the USD is the only one with the net positions. With the short, the net positions is towards the long side, that is 12,000 or 64%. Okay. And now if we look towards the euro, sorry, over here. Now, if we look towards the euro is the one with the negative 60,000 positions, okay, and 42% of longs only. So this is also, pointing towards a downward momentum for the euro. For the euro USD. Okay, keep this in mind. Now, obviously, the outcome of this tariff plan will set the course for euro USD. It can go towards the upside or downside, or maybe you can expect some sweeping. Okay, obviously, upon the news, only then we can see the results. Okay, thank you. This is for now. Have a good day.